Today we're going to check out this Bullet putter. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I like going golfing every once in a while. I don't like doing it too much. But one of the things that I've been using over the last couple seasons is a mallet style putter, and I just don't like it. I don't get as much feel. It's harder to put a nice light touch on the ball. So I'm going back to the traditional style, blade style putters that I used growing up, and I was really looking for something that would give me a couple of things. One, a little bit more control with a little less mass than the mallet style putters, but also have good markings on the top part so that I can make sure that I am lined up perpendicular to my target here. And what I really liked about this Bullet putter here, you can see the logo on the back side there, is that it's got these two big trapezoids on the back and a nice bright white line that will show you where you're aiming, and that line continues right on the top of the blade here. The rest of it is a flat black, which is nice because it'll cut down on reflections and looks pretty traditional. The bottom actually has a really cool look to it. It's got some machining marks or some casting marks right there, and then is in a almost like an anodized red color. And you can see that it says Bullet BL1 on there. You've got some openings right here, so you've got some pretty thick metal on the sides, so it should carry some nice inertia when you hit the ball right on the middle here and prevent it from twisting on impact. And again, while it is a little thick, it's not overly thick, and so it's much thinner than your typical mallet style putter. You also have a pretty traditional hosel right here. You can see it's kinked, so you'll have the shaft in line with the ball right there. You also have some grooves on the front here, which are all color filled. Be able to put a nice roll on it. It has a standard metal putter shaft, and then the Bullet grip up here, which is very tacky. This thing has a ton of grip. It's almost hard to slide it on the hand, so that's pretty nice. Now let's see if this thing shaves 10 to 15 strokes off my golf game. Since I don't have a green, I think we can all agree that we all putt out of the rough sometimes. So if I just line up here and give it a nice little tap, man, feels good. I love the weight on this. It's got just enough that it makes it really easy to have a nice easy swing and let the weight of the club kind of hit the ball. But it's also light enough that if I want to take a really nice delicate tap and really control it with my arm strength, I can do that as well. So I really like this. It's really inexpensive and it seems like a really quality club. Hey, if you want to pick it up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.